Flue Gas Dilution Fans. Where do we need to use them? It's when we need to bring burnt gases out at low level and still conform to building regulations. The regulations and the gas regulations state that the burnt carbons have to be below 1%. And if we use a flue dilution fan, a gas flue dilution fan, we can bring them out as low as 2 metres high. This means that we don't have to use big, tall, ugly chimneys and the cost of ugly chimneys that go with them. It's a lot cheaper, a lot easier to put in and easier to maintain. How do the fans work? Well, the fans draw air in here, which is the dilution air, and at the other side of the fan, they draw in the burnt gases. The two airs mix by using the double-headed impeller and are then blown out to atmosphere. This gives you the dilution, as I said before, to bring it down below 1%. Some of the features of our fans are, as you can see, we've got stainless steel versions. This is for the more arduous uses. And we've got steel, zinc-coated, black powder-coated units. These are for the normal, everyday gas boilers. These units can be used on LPG and butane. You have to rework the calculations to get the 1% coming out of the fan. These units are also supplied with safety features. These have to be there. We have a pressure switch which checks on the flow. Should there be a problem with the flow, this will switch off the boiler, which means there's no more burnt gases and everything comes to a standstill. It can also be plumbed in via the PCB board, through the cables, back to the unit to switch the gas supplies off to make it even safer. The impellers that are on the units are all balanced. This is so it makes them quiet and easy running. The impellers are balanced to give it vibration-free running. Also used are very high quality bearings on the motors. As you'll see, the burnt gases come in this side. The motor is on this side. So the burnt gases at high temperature never actually get near the motor. This is how we can get round the high temperatures. These are then connected via the flange that they come with automatically and supplied with. And these come with the flanges that are standard on the unit, which will mount up to your ductwork. From the unit to outside, you'll need 2 metres of ducting. That's a minimum. That's so that the dilution from one fan and the other fan, which is the dilution air, gets mixed up before it goes outside. As I mentioned, the pressure switch here that checks on the airflow is connected to a circuit board inside this box. This circuit board also has the added feature that if the boiler goes out, it keeps the fan running because there will still be burnt gases in the ductwork. This is a big safety feature. All of these safety features, including the connection, have to be there to conform to regulations. This is a cheaper option, a high quality fan that will serve you for a long, long time.